Hello, this is the day 4 portion of our code as a part of the shopping cart with Mean project. And as a part of day 4, we have completed login and registration for the user. So this is the server-side code in Node.js that I have written. So basically it connects to this MongoDB database that's hosted on this MLab AWS cloud service. You can see that there are two users. These are some dummy users that we have created. So this actually registers the users and let them log into this site. So what happens is the Angular component of register actually sends the request to something known as a HTTP client that's present inside a service that we have written in Angular. That service and all you can check out in Pranay's portion of the code because he has done that. And what I have done is basically once he posts the data onto my particular URL, say here user/add. So once that post data is made available to the node server, then it's the job of the node server to actually parse this data and put it into a database and make some meaning out of it. So that's what we have done here as well. So when this node server actually receives the post request from the Angular service, this will actually save the user into the database, and an alert is actually displayed to the user saying that registration successful. Same thing happens with the login as well. So when the login request user tries to log in, and the what that is Angular component is actually loaded onto the browser, and the user enters his username and password and clicks on login. That sends another post request. That component, Angular component, sends a post request from the service via the HTTP client again to the node server, and we actually fetch the user from the database that we have stored here on MLab. So we use this method called find one, and we fetch the username and password, and if it's matching with what the user has actually entered in the text boxes, we send true, else we send false. Based on that, we display the message whether he's logged in or not. Once he's logged in, he'll be redirected to the home page and his details will be saved. And now as a part of day 5, what we are trying to do is we have written the server-side code for that actually in day 4 itself, actually that will actually fetch all the products that are available and display it on the Angular component. But we are facing little amount of issues doing that, so we are rethinking our strategy as to how we should create a JSON file that has less amount of categorical data, because that's actually less amount of abstractions to deal with. Otherwise we will be getting a very long string. Say if my main array is products, like you can see this actually yeah. Yeah, if you see our products page, products database, you see that there is a lot of stuff that's put under the object called ice. Ice is internally a part of the object called beauty. Beauty is internally part of this product called database. So if I have to reference something in this particular database, I have to go products.beauty.ice, and ice has 10 objects. Ice.0 of some property that we have for product eyeline products that deal with beautification of the eye. So we are rethinking that strategy, and so far this is what we have come up with. Thank you.